Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So this is actually going to be an unboxing video of the new marble set that I just got. This is called the National Geographic 100 pieces motorized marble run. As you can see right here, it's got this pretty cool elevator. So yeah. It kind of looks similar to this Marble Genius Auger lift. Like, you can see right here, it kind of looks similar to this one right here. So yeah, let's unbox this set and see what we get. Alright, so here are all the pieces here. So as you can see right here, we have this loop track, and it's actually, there's a support for this one. It belongs from this piece. And we got one of those staircase thingies. It looks pretty cool. And once you look at this, we have this nice split track. That's pretty interesting. And then here are all the marbles. Yes, as you can see right here. And we got this manual thing it's for the elevator. Looks pretty cool. And there's this instruction booklet. Well, not instruction booklet, but the construction tips for this one. So, like, I've never had this before, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and we'll see what it looks like when it's fully assembled. Alright, so I just finished assembling the elevator. It doesn't look pretty tall compared with the Marble Genius one. Looks pretty tall. But let's test out the new one. There we go. So it works pretty good, but it's also moving a little slow. So I'm of course gonna be building a track by using this new piece. Alright, so yeah, I'll be right back. And so, here is the track over here. So, one of the pieces didn't come from my latest set, which is called the National Geographic Marble Run. But I did manage to set up a track of it using one of the newest pieces and the returning pieces. So I'm going to turn on this elevator and get some marbles here. And let's do this. As you can see, marbles are heading into this elevator, newest elevator. It did catch the marbles pretty well, but I want to see how spread out it goes. It's not too bad. Oh, this marble didn't go up. There we go. yeah, that's pretty cool. So that concludes the unboxing to this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we end the video, I'm just gonna give this set, in my opinion, I'm just gonna give this set an 8.5 out of 10. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video as always. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye, everyone.